gonna make a boat. We're gonna make a really good boat. Okay.
No, you're doing it wrong.
No, stop, Matthew! I'm pro build boat. I'm pro build boat player.
No.
Yes! You got it. Here, let's build our base up here, Matthew. A fart armadillo7. Okay. Stop! You're messing up the build. Stop! You're.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. No, you're not allowed to build. No, stop. Okay. No, we have to go down here now. You ruined it. Okay, I have a really good idea. We're gonna make a raft of doors. Just like I did last time. Hold up. We're gonna have to make a raft of doors. No, I fell.
It's really bad.
No, it isn't. Hold up. You have to connect. No, it isn't. We have to connect these two rafts. Okay. Look, we can. No, we're not stupid. Look, okay.
Oh, my mommy calls me special.
No, my mommy says I should be executed. She's trying to put me in a little. See, she said it puts me in an electrified state. Summer school. I'm gonna tell on you. Yeah, I'm gonna tell on you. La 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 la. No.